Mary Jo got a job down at the fast food joint. She was happy for the work. Mary Jo was put on fries. She's been making them for years. This is her specialty. Mary's special, very special. When you're making fries, you see a lot of people. You get to be up front, right by the counter. You get to talk to customers. You get to look outside. And Mary Jo, delighted in her job. The new manager they got was someone younger. It didn't seem this person understood that Mary Jo was just a little different, but as good as any worker that this place had ever had. One day the boss told Mary Jo to make the Happy Meals, sent her to the back part of the store. This person also used the word retarded. The meals weren't so happy anymore. Mary Jo says all I really want to be treated just like everybody else. Consider my abilities. I'm competent, I work hard, and I help. Carol is another special person, compassionate and friendly, creative, fun and kind. But she never liked a single day of school. Kids made fun of her, they made fun of her. When she grew up, she felt it was important to make a difference for people just like her. So Carol told their story to a singer, so he could sing their story to the world. Carol says all I really want to be treated just like everybody else. Consider my abilities. I'm competent, I work hard, and I help. Mary Jo and Carol are good friends. They do things together just like you and me. So if you ever see someone who's making fun of people like them, think who has the disability.